ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Finally I did it in one go. So this video is about what is this about? This video is about organic printing. It is something that I already failed in once, and I did a second try, this time with a paper with sketchbook sheets. And the last time that I did it, it was on a cotton cloth, and you could see a short that I made like about that organic printing on a cloth. It went horribly wrong, trust me, but it is on YouTube as well. It's a 1 minute short, so you could watch that as well. And this is my second attempt, which was a lot better than the first attempt. I did get something on the paper. The process was correct, but I think the plants, okay, I'm not going to speak too much, so let's get straight into it. I said this like this is जो यूट्यूबर नहीं कहते हैं like Wenji and all, like let's get on with the video. I said it exactly like that. So basically what I did was I went to my garden and I picked all sorts of leaves and मतलब I have a nice garden thanks to my father. Like बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे हैं मेरे घर में ही. But if you don't have plants at your house, you can go around looking for a lot of variety of plants around your neighborhood. कोई पार्क हो तो वहाँ से तोड़ लो. But get like different kinds of plants, flowers, leaves, everything, anything that you can get, and just experiment with them. So I picked a bunch of different leaves and flowers for my organic printing. So the last time that I did organic printing was on a cloth, on a cotton cloth. This time I am thinking of using paper, and the paper that I will be using is Tone of my sister's sketchbook. And these are all the leaves and plants that I picked from my, yes, English aati hai mujhe, that I picked from my garden. And I washed them because obviously they were dirty and I don't want mud on my paper, so I washed them. And I did not really dry them because बाद में तो ये भीग ही जाएंगे, so I just use them as it is. I'll just use them as it is. अभी नहीं use किया है. So there's that. And so another very important ingredient, and probably the most important ingredient here, alum. And alum is aluminium sulfate. I got this off of Amazon. It was really cheap, and I got this 1 kg pack for I believe 100 rupees or 160 rupees. I'll leave the link in the description, so if you're interested you can buy it from there. So what we have to do is we have to take a warm water and add this aluminium sulfate to the water. So क्या करते हैं कि this should be in the ratio of 1:3. That means 3 parts of water and 1 part of aluminium sulfate. So that's what I did. I used this cup for measuring. So this is what I did this time, this single cup, which I also used in my Christmas vlog while I was baking a cake, and also that as well went horribly wrong. I think this cup is jinxed or something, because whenever I use this, the final result is always, you'll see. Then I took that alum water solution in a cup and then put it in a tray. I don't know why I measured it first in the cup and then poured it in a tray when I could directly could have poured it on the tray. I don't know why I did that, but I did that. So I did that, and then I put my sheets of paper in the tray and I soaked them completely. And like मैंने ऐसे किया कि I put one sheet, wet both sides of it, and then I put another sheet on top of it and didn't remove the first sheet. And that by the end of it I had a stack of sheets which was completely drenched in the alum and water solution. So that's what I did. And the next thing that I did was I drained all the water out of the tray, and then I just kept the wet sheets. I did not leave the sheets to dry. I wanted the sheets to be wet. Then I started arranging the plants the way I wanted. Okay, so these are the plants that I brought. There's some money plant leaves, there's rose petals, banyan leaf, and some other kind of leaves. I don't know what. There are a lot of rose leaves. Then I had these flowers and these purple bud kind of things. Then I have this giant leaf that I don't know what it would do. I have these more money plant leaves. I have these little pink flowers. Then I have rose petals, which I'm hoping to give a nice pink color. And yeah, that's it. Then I lay the pages flat on the tray, and the pages are still wet by the way, and then I'll place the leaves and the flowers in a pattern that I like. So what I did was I put like big banyan leaf in the center, and then I sprinkled some other rose petals and stuff like that to make it look pretty. And this is literally the most colorful video that I did so far on YouTube. The colors are so vibrant and I love this. And I added some flowers and stuff. Then I put another sheet of paper on top of this previous sheet, and I squashed it a little too hard, and I realized that there was the bud part of the rose, and then my page actually got torn. So I suggest you guys to pay attention to that. Then I added some rose leaves, and then I added this white flower that I was hoping, pink flower that I was hoping to create a mask with, and added a green leaf, and which I was hoping that would give a nice green color. Then I put another paper, and this is what I'm going to do. I'll sandwich the leaves in middle of the sheets of papers, and this is what I'm going to do, and you could just watch me do that. Done with our stack. The next thing that we are going to do is cook this set of paper. Yes, that's what I call it. I don't know the technical term, but I'm gonna cook it on a kadhai. So my version of the entire cooker situation was one plate, and then I put the stack of paper on top of the plate. Then I put another plate on top of on top of the stack of sheets, and then I put a heavy glass pot tray sort of a thing on top of it, just to press the whole thing down. And then I added my alum water from the side so that it would cover the whole thing. And the next thing that I did was I added some rusted nails in there, because I saw that I was told that rust helps in getting the impression better. So I am giving all my effort and I'm doing this as well. So the next thing that I did was just cook it for 2 hours. Literally just simmer it on high flame for, not high, medium high flame for 2 hours straight. Do not stop, just let it go. You might feel that pages are going to turn into a pulp, but no, that's not going to happen. It's going to be fine. Just sit, relax, chill. And I played some Candy Crush. Then what I did was I put a jug. Okay, I completely forgot to tell you, I put a jug on top of the glass tray to give it even more pressure, because once the water was in there, I felt that it was like all going up and moving and everything. So that's what I did. The next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to add 1 cup of white vinegar into the whole cooker thing. I don't know why it's called white vinegar when it is transparent, but yeah, that's we are going to go with it. So that's what we are going to use here, and after that we are going to let it sit for the night and then open it in the next day morning. Like, let it sit overnight. That's what we are going to do. So it's been sitting overnight, and now my mom's been yelling at me to like clean the whole thing and give her the kadhai, because she has to cook, and apparently my family being fed is more important than my YouTube video, which I post once in a month. So that's what I am going to do. By the way, the previous line was a joke for anybody who does not understand sarcasm. So I got the stack of paper out of the kadhai, and then I'm happy with the yellow color. Honestly, I like the color, but there is not enough printing going on, more of a dyeing situation. So maybe I should rename this video as organic dyeing instead of organic printing, but I'm not going to do that because I am like that. So and to my surprise, the rose leaves were the ones that gave the best print instead of the other things. The rose leaves got printed even better than the rose petals. Like, can you imagine that? That's something that blew my mind, and I really liked that. And the next thing was another issue that I faced was that the sheets were apparently too thin. So the next time I'm going to do the same thing with a bit harder, thicker sheets like 300 GSM or so that they won't tear off later on. Um, so this is my organic printing that I did this time. I hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoyed doing it, definitely. The result was a little disappointing, but not a lot. Okay, so that was it for the video. I know ठीक से print नहीं हुआ है. The reason is because I don't know what the reason is. I felt that ये सारे plants के colors transfer होंगे. I did not take into account the fact that सारे plants इतना अच्छे से नहीं transfer हो पाते हैं. And to my surprise, I thought rose petals would get transferred beautifully, but rose petals did not, but rose leaves did. In fact, that was the only leaf. That only plant that I chose that actually gave a good print. So I am guessing that next time when I do this, because अभी मैंने घर की कढ़ाई ऑलरेडी सड़ा दी है, तो अब थोड़ा तो वेट करना पड़ेगा, वरना मुझे घर से निकाल दिया जाएगा. So थोड़े टाइम बाद I'm gonna do the same thing again, but this time with just rose petals, hoping just rose leaves, hoping that it would leave a much better stain and the paper would look a lot prettier. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, keep waiting for it. And yeah, Diwali content is gonna come very soon, next week hopefully. Yes, my last year's Diwali video is our most viewed video, and उस वीडियो ने मुझे परेशान कर दिया था. मुझे नए लैपटॉप में एडिटिंग करना नहीं आता था. Premiere Pro I was using it for the first time. मुझसे फाइल्स अपलोड नहीं हो रही थी. लैपटॉप बीच में एक बार बंद हो गया, मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया and what not. So इतना परेशानी झेलने के बाद that video when I uploaded it on YouTube, then the first hour में मेरे hardly 100 views गए थे, and I was used to getting 300-400 views, so 100 was underwhelming, but oh my god, it blew up and I'm just so happy that it did. बस वो आगे बढ़ता रहे. And seeing that video I realized that you guys are suckers for candles. So yeah, a lot of candle videos coming in the future. And हाँ, एक और चीज़, I launched a new lip tint shade on my Instagram store. The name of the shade is Tequila Sunrise. This is Tequila Sunrise. It is just launched. This is Tequila Sunrise, and it just got launched on Instagram on my page. And abhi I could show a swatch on my hand. I know video is already really long, so if you wish to skip this part, feel free to do it, because obviously you have better things to do in life than watch me talk about my lip tints and stuff. Like, please, if you want to go, then please go. But this is something that I want to show. So yes, so this is the color, and it's orange. I know all my previous shades were a lot more pink, and this is like a really bright orange. So I thought maybe this is something that a lot of girls who prefer warm colors would really love. I ended up loving it a lot. I would wear this in my next video. I didn't this time because I don't know why I didn't do it this time. So I know it looks yellow on my hand, but it is a really pretty orange. And if you want to see the swatch on my face, then please go on Instagram. The link is in the description, and the Instagram handle is @potions.in. Please go check it out and check it out. Or yeah. So that's it for the video. I have done enough self promotion. I think I've said everything. So yeah, next अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. Bye.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time.